It is time. Time for the Lightning Round. That's a Ralph Goldman. CNBC stock started by sales. So no core stock questions at time. Staff for the plan is down. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski daddy. Time for the lightning round. I'm going to start with Ganesh in New York. New Jersey. Ganesh.
Hi, Jim. How are you? I enjoy watching your show.
Thank you, Ganesh. Good to hear from you. What's going on?
I love your subject matter expertise and deep knowledge. I am a long-term investor, and I have a holding of CE. And
the CE is they've struggled. They have struggled, and I have to tell you, I'm not happy with how they're doing, and I can't long-term or short-term hide that. I'm just not happy with how they're doing. I'm sorry. Let's go to Ike in Georgia. Ike.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah, Ike. What's happening?
Man, we just hanging in there trying to crawl through this wall of worry.
Good attitude.
Thank you for all you do for us little guys. All the
thank you, buddy. Thank you.
How to make money, how to keep money.
Well, both are valiant goals. How can I help you make and keep?
Yes, right. AppLovin, man.
AppLovin is very controversial. Okay, so let me just dispel one thing. When you have Craig Billies, who's the CEO of Wynn, as the head of the audit committee and also the lead director of AppLovin, then I'm going to believe the financials. Is the stock expensive? It did have a great fourth quarter. Should someone else come in and take away their gross margins? I would like to go into that business and take them away. That company's making, I'd say, over-earning is the biggest problem I have with AppLovin. Let's go to Peter in Pennsylvania. Peter.
Booyah, Jim. I'm a club member and a long-time viewer from way back when before you were Jimmy Chills. Jim, what do you think?
It was the medicine. It was the medicine. Go ahead.
Jim, what do you think of Core Civic?
I'm surprised the stock has kind of come back down here. I think it had a huge move, and then it's just kind of resting. I think the stock is ready to move again. Okay, let's go to Jake in New York. Jake.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Oh, man, what's shaking with you?
It's Friday. We got some March Madness. I'm assuming you're watching.
I can sneak it when my wife isn't constantly insisting on seeing Reacher. And she's not. By the way, watch it with the sound off. What's that about?
No idea. But you did some homework. You thought this stock was a good spec. And that was at $10. We're at $21.95, okay? Analyst Day coming up on Tuesday, first Analyst Day. I'd like to know what you think about SRAD Sportradar.
I think Sportradar is a very interesting, intriguing stock. Now, but remember, I also like Flutter. I like DraftKings. I like the whole space, and that is one very important part of the whole space. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, Cramer's shining a light through today's tape and telling investors why they need to stay the course. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.